Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to play Blocks Fruits. So let's begin. So first we have to pick a side. So I will choose a pirate, and now I have spawn in pirate starter. Okay, so I have to, I think so, kill these guys. Okay, kill. Now second person. I can beat these two by myself. Like together. He's huh. Again, let's go. Oh, I should have pick a quest. Yeah, okay. Kill 5 bandits. Okay. Let's group them together. Where's the third one? Okay, let's kill them. Kill. Oh my god. I got level 2. Yes. And now, okay, I have to wait for them to spawn. Okay, spawn, kill. And now this. Again, group them together. Now use this. Yeah. This move is so cool. Quick jump. I again leveled up. Okay. Kill. Now I have to kill one person. So let's wait for him. He has come. Combo here. Combo. Let's go. Level 5. Okay, so now I can put these in points: melee, defense, sword, gun, blocks fruit. I don't have sword, gun or a blocks fruit, so let's put it in melee and defense. Yeah, this. So I can do loads of damage. Okay, how many level I have to do? Okay, I should take this one again, and now I will kill them so much faster than before. Kill. Oh, the HP they're losing 12, and he's already dead. Yeah, it was a good thing. I should again put it put more. And now I'm doing 13. Let's go. Now it will be so easier to kill them. Kill. Yeah, I killed one person and now the second one. Okay, and so let's wait for them to spawn. He has spawned. Kill. He's a quick tackle move, and I killed him. Level 8. I think I have to do till level 10. So let's do that. First, more put it in the stats melee. Okay, I'm doing 14 damage. I killed him so far. 4 hits, 5 hits, 6, 7. 7 hits it only takes for me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, yeah, I killed him. Okay. Kill. Level 9. I have to again do a quest to get level 10. Yeah. Let me group you together. Yeah. Combo and die. And now wait for them to spawn. How much time will they take? Spawn. Yeah. Kill. Yeah, I should group them together. Yeah, I'm doing 15 damage. Okay. Yeah, and again put some stats in melee. And now I will do even more damage. Kill. I have done it. Now I have to go to the next island. Okay, so what's that? The next island. Okay, jungle. Okay. give me a boat. Yeah, I don't want to spend my money, so just like give me this one. And let me check out the other settings. Yeah, okay. No. And items, I have no items. Okay. I have no items. Okay. Let me sail across the sea. Okay. And my race is a rabbit. Like sea rabbit. Okay. Oh, that's why I have some ears. Oh. I thought like, did I get an accessory or something? Okay, go to the jungle. And how much time will it take? Let's do this. Okay, we are about to reach. I think I can swim like faster than the boat. Let me see. Yeah, it's like faster. And I'm not even losing any HP. What? Is it because of the rabbit race? I think so. Hello, monkey. Monkey. I should also like get a fruit if like there's a fruit dropped somewhere here. Is it dropped? No. I can't buy a fruit now. I have to be like level 50. Okay. Take a quest. Monkeys. I can only defeat monkeys for now. And now like let's kill them. Kill. Okay, these are a little bit stronger than the previous bandits. Like, oh, I got like level 11. Kill. Bro, you stole my own. I thought he stole my kill. Bro, go the hell away. Yeah, kill them. Why is he like stealing my kills, bro? I will go to the other side, bro, if you want. You kill the other person that you want and I will kill this person. I don't know why. Okay, 4 kills and I have now gotten level 12. Kill this person. And kill. Net in the game. You have 15 minutes to defeat him and possibly. What possibly? They didn't even told us. I think like we will get it. Okay, I have completed the quest and level 15. Oh, I can already like go to the next island. Where is it? Huh? It is like still saying to go to the NPC at the jungle. Why? Huh? Oh, we have to like defeat the gorillas. Why? What is this area? Okay guys, that's it for today. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. Till then, bye.